and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw a snowman with a Christmas tree. Get your Sharpie.
Yes, Harper.
And now draw the
Eyes. Knew it.
Which one do you want it to be, a girl or a boy?
Boy. I mean a girl with no eyelashes.
Now continue to draw the eyes. The mouth, I'm going to do a teeny tiny mouth. And then do a sideways long oval for the scarf. And a line down, but a curve and some lines to finish. Do you want it to have earmuffs or a Santa hat? Earmuffs or a Santa hat?
Earmuffs.
We're not going to do the hat. We're
No,
going to do earmuffs.
no, I have to do a hat. I'm gonna do a hat then.
I'll do earmuffs.
All I want for Christmas is you.
That's a big forehead. Now let's do the body. 1, 2, 3 buttons.
Dee-dee. What about hot buttons? Nice. What are you, come
how
on.
to
Hands are
draw
dirty
the
now.
finger.
I'm gonna do it here.
And we're going to also draw the Christmas tree cute. So
I'm
they
gonna
can
do
be
the
friends.
stem down here.
A line like this.
Can we just draw a normal Christmas tree because we already know how to draw ourselves a Christmas tree?
Okay, now I'm going to keep on drawing the Christmas tree. Like triangles. Wow, my sister's one is huge. I'm going to add the final piece of my Christmas tree, I think. And then I'll do an angel at the top of my Christmas tree. I have to wait for my sister, her star. She's going to do some designs on her star. And I'm going to draw some cute eyes on mine. I'm colouring in my eyebrows now. And my sister is doing some cheeks. Now, what do you think we're gonna do?
Color in the tongue for
Whoa,
me.
whoa, 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 whoa. We have to write Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Merry Christmas, everyone! And Happy New Year! Color in with green. You can do any type of green. My sister's green is so dark, but mine's so light. I finished mine. I have to wait for my sister. It's so huge. Okay, keep on coloring, Evangeline. I'll do it for you, Evangeline. Keep on coloring, keep on coloring. Okay, I'll go on without you. The scarf, the peach for the earmuffs. Now the wood, and I underlined my Merry Christmas. You nearly did it, Evangeline. Yeah, Evangeline, you finished. Now colouring the bells on your hat, Evangeline. Now colouring your heart buttons and your hat and your scarf. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.